Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed what energy is, what is the SI unit of energy, and mechanical form of energy. In today's lesson, we will be discuss some other forms of energy. So, students, as you know, energy is the ability to do work. With the help of energy, we can do lots of work like running, jumping, walking, etc. But the question is, how do we get that energy? So students, when we eat food, the energy stored in our body is chemical energy. And when the food undergoes a chemical change in our body, this energy is released. And this energy enables us to do lots of work. So what is the definition? Energy stored in matter that can become available for work through chemical process is called chemical energy. This energy released when chemicals are burned or when they undergo chemical change. And next we have electrical energy. We do most of our daily work using electricity, like ironing, boiling water, lighting bulb, rotating fan, etc. The energy used to do this work called electrical energy. Now what is the definition? Electrical energy is the energy produced due to the flow of electric charge through a substance. It is used to run household appliances like television, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. You can watch the video with the help of light energy. We cannot see anything without light energy. So, light is a form of energy that enables us to see objects around us. There is another use of light energy, which is plants use the light energy of the sun to prepare food during the process of photosynthesis. Next we have heat energy. When you touch the glass of hot water, you feel some sensation of hotness. So, heat is the form of energy that causes sensation of hotness and coldness. When you touch the glass of hot water, the heat energy transferred from the glass to your hand. So, it can be transferred from hotter body to cooler body. Next we have sound energy. While you speaking, you produce some vibration. If you touch the neck, you feel some vibration, or if you touch the speaker of your music system, you feel some vibration. So sound is produced when a force causes a body to vibrate. Sound energy enables us to hear something. You can hear my voice with the help of sound energy. Next we have magnetic theory. The energy stored in magnet is called magnetic energy. Due to this energy, magnets can attract magnetic materials such as iron objects placed near them. Here is the image of electromagnetic rain. It uses magnetic energy to lift some iron stuff. Next we have nuclear energy. When nucleus of an atom splits or When two nuclei of different atoms combine, a large amount of energy is released in the form of heat and radiation. This energy is called nuclear energy. For example, nuclear bomb, or you can also say that atomic bomb. Apart from that, nuclear energy can be used for good purpose also. Like nuclear energy is used to generate electricity. So these are the other forms of energy. Next we have transformation of energy. The change of one form of energy into another form is known as transformation of energy. For example, light energy of sun is transformed to chemical energy of food during the process of photosynthesis. So here light energy converted into chemical energy. So this is the process of so this is called transformation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. We have already discussed that energy can be transformed from one form to another. So while energy transformation, the amount of energy remains always constant. The amount of the energy always remains constant. So law of conservation states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can transform from one form to another. Clear? So that is chapter 3, energy, we have completed. Let's recap through the concept map. First we have discussed the energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Next we have discussed the forms of energy, that is mechanical energy, and mechanical energy is form of kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy possessed by a body due to its motion. All moving things are called have kinetic energy, and potential energy possessed by a body due to its position. And potential energy is of two types: elastic potential energy, and another one is gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy possessed by a stretched, compressed, or bent body. And gravitational potential energy possessed by a body due to its raised position. And SI unit of energy is joule. And we have also discussed some other forms of energy. Now moving to exercise. Section A, take the most appropriate answer. The first question is amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade is called calorie. Calorie is the right answer here. Now question number 2, a child riding a bicycle possesses potential energy, heat energy, kinetic energy, or sound energy. A child riding a bicycle, it means the child is moving. So as you know, all moving things are called kinetic energy. Next, question number 3, when a ball is thrown vertically upwards, the gravitational potential energy of the ball increases, decreases, remains same. So students, when you go higher vertically, the gravitational potential energy always increases. Okay. Now question number 4, which form of energy possessed by a stretch spring? We have discussed in the previous class, that is elastic potential due to its elastic potential energy. Next question, which transformation of energy takes place in doorbell? electrical energy into kinetic energy, electrical energy into sound energy, electrical energy into chemical energy into electrical energy, and next we have nuclear energy into light energy. The right answer is electrical energy into sound energy. Okay, so section B, fill in the blanks. The SI unit of energy is joule. The stretch rubber band of a catapult produces elastic potential energy. The energy of the food that you eat is storage, chemical energy. Then question number 4, days energy is produced when you strike a drum, that is sound energy. We have already know. Plants use days energy from sun to prepare their food, that is light energy. The next we have question number C, section C, 1 calorie. 1 calorie means the value of 1 calorie is 4.186 joule. Now burning of charcoal, that is its burning means it has some heat energy. Okay, then coil spring in a watch, that is elastic potential energy. Vibrating bodies is sound energy. Magnets, that is magnetic energy. Now question number D, write true or false, and you have to correct the false statement also. Okay, now question number 1, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called kinetic energy. No, kinetic energy means all moving things are called kinetic energy, so it is false, and the right answer is potential energy. Okay, now question number 2, both kinetic and potential energy are called mechanical energy. Yes, mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic and potential energy. Okay, so that is true. Question number 3, the energy stored in firecrackers is in the form of magnetic energy. There is no magnet in firecrackers. Okay, so the energy stored in the firecrackers is in the form of chemical energy. Now question number 4, nuclear energy is released when the nucleus of an atom splits. That is true. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is also true. Section E, F and G, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so thank you students, have a great day.